This is a 4x6 automatic duplex printing. This is the 5x5 photo. This is a 4x12 Panaroma print. This is the HP Envy Inspire 7255E all-in-one printer. It is able to print, copy, and scan. The printer supports dual band Wi-Fi 2.4 as well as 5 GHz. At the back of the printer, you can see there is a USB 2.0 client in addition to the power port. Do note that the sticker is placed over the USB port to inform customers that you need to set up wireless, because this printer supports HP Plus and you need to get it connected and onboarded via the HP Smart app. It also has got Bluetooth LE. That is for setup only. You can see that it features a 2.7-inch color touchscreen. It also has got a flatbed scanner. For the mobile printing capability, it supports Apple AirPrint, Mopia Print Service, Chrome OS, as well as HP Smart app. Let's take a look at the paper tray. It has got a dedicated photo tray that supports 4x6 as well as 5x7 and 5x5 photo paper. On the main tray itself, it has a capacity of up to 125 sheets, and it also supports the 4x12 Panaroma photo paper. The output tray has a capacity of up to 60 sheets. Do note that the printer also supports borderless printing as well as duplex two-sided printing, and this is done automatically. Let's take a look at the ink cartridges. It features a 2 ink cartridge system, a tricolor as well as a black print cartridge. For this model, it is using number 64 print cartridges. So let's take a look at the printer in action. We will print two-sided printing to show its duplex capabilities, as well as to show the copy and scan specifications. Let us now show you the photo printing capability of this printer. We will show you the photo paper sizes that is supported from the photo tray as well as the main tray. This is a 4x6 automatic duplex printing. This is a standard 4x6 photo print. This is the 5x5 photo. This is a 5x7 photo print. This is a 4x12 Panaroma print. This is a A4 photo print. And these are the photos that are printed from this printer. From the top left hand corner, we've got the A4 or letter size, followed by the panoramic photo print, and these two sizes are supported in the main tray itself. And for the photo tray, we've got the 4x6 duplex, as well as the 4x6 standard print, the 5x7, as well as the 5x5 photos.